Hello guys, this is my second lecture and we will start from our previous example and we will write some of the top previous example like a serial number and then we write a name, subjects in which we include science, then maths, then we write English, then computer, then we calculate the total. We use formula like maximum, minimum, average, and then we will calculate result by using the if formula. As you see, the all the boxes are ready from which we put data. In serial we will write first 1 2 and then we select the sequence as we did in our previous lecture and then drop it up to 4. Now we write the names like Tom, then Alex, then John, and last is Christopher. Then I put the numbers randomly, like Tom get marks like 40 and then Alex 50, 60, in a sense 70, in and maths 90, 85, 45, and then 80. And English they got 89, 78, 84, and 91. Then computer 93, 60, 79, and 88. Then we use the sum formula to calculate or to get the total, like we use equals to sum bracket open and then we select the subject marks, total 4 subjects marks, and bracket close, enter. I'll repeat the formula like we put equals to sum bracket open, then select the marks of the 4 subjects, then bracket close and enter. We can just write one box and then drag it to the remaining, so it will also apply the formula on the remaining boxes. Now use maximum equals to max bracket open, select the subject marks, 4 subject marks, and then bracket close and then enter. As you see, 93 is the maximum marks. I'll repeat it, equals to maximum bracket open, select the subject marks, bracket close and enter. We will also do the same, like select the box, drag it up to the remaining, so it will also apply on the others. And the minimum equals to min bracket open, and then we select the marks of the 4 subjects, then bracket close and then enter. We will repeat it again, like equals to min bracket open, marks of the subjects, then bracket close, enter. We will select one box and drag it up to the remaining 2, then it will also apply it on it. Now we use formula average. In average we write equals to, then average bracket open, then the marks of the subjects, 4 subjects, then bracket close, enter. We repeat it again, like equals to average bracket open, then marks of the subjects, bracket close, and then enter. we will select the one box, as you see. So we will select the one box and drag it up to the remaining. As you see, some are in decimals and some are not, so we will do the same process, like we select the whole boxes and then goes up to the decimal, increase decimal, then click on it. As you see the three decimals, but we need two, so we decrease decimal by click on it. As you see the decimals, then we put a formula in it, in result, like we use equals to, if bracket open. Now we put the condition, like if 78, which the address has J2, greater than 70, e inverted comma, the status will show pass, PASS, inverted comma close, comma, then else it will show fail, inverted comma close, bracket close, enter. As you see the marks is more than 80. We use the same process, like click on it and drag it up to the remaining. As you see, the students those get more than 70, it will be shown as pass, and the remaining will be shown as fail, which is below 60. Now I use the formula count, and in a count there are two formulas. In count, and in count we will only count the numeric values, like equals to, count, bracket open, and select only the numeric values to know how much the quantity of the numeric values. Like we select the 4 and then bracket close and enter. As you see there the number is 4, it means the 4 quantities are there. Now we do count A, it means it will count the alphabets, equals to count A, bracket open, and select the non-numeric cells, like names, then bracket close, enter. It will also show the 4 because the name of the students are 4. Now I'll show in the formulas, like a formula, and first I write sum formula, SUM, and we have to just copy and then with the same, like comma, then paste it, otherwise it will not show. A same will be done as for maximum, like copy the formula and comma and paste. Basically minimum and copy. Basically it is not a comma, it is a hyphen, we just put it and then paste it. Then average, copy the formula and then you sign and then error, paste. Then we use result. Basically it is if formula, as I told, so it is the main to know, so I just copy and I paste it here. Now count, which will count only numeric, will copy and then paste. Then count A, which will count only alphabetic, sequence or alphabetic cells. As we go up and copy the formula and then paste it. We will select the whole cells and write shown in italic, which will be more presentable. And as you see this now, I'll select the whole scorecard, then click on center so that it will shown in the center. Then I will select the heading box or the subject box, and then we click on bold, so it will be shown as bold. And then I'll select the bottom border, and in a bottom border I'll select the bold box. So as you see, it will show bold box. Then I will select the whole scorecard and also click on bold border, then it will shown in the bold border. Then I can select the whole border, and then I only select the border lines. Then as you see, it will shown and it will be more presentable. Like we can also do a better, like we will select the formula and make it underlined and bold. So as you see, the whole our Excel lecture 2 is ready. We have used the formulas. So if you like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.